best way to take medicines. Are you in a confusion about popping a pill? What time is best and how to use? By watching this video, you will get some idea about your pills. Nowadays, many people who are taking tablets or other medicines, either on prescription or over the counter, are not sure about the best time while popping a pill, especially when you relate it to meal times. Should tablets be taken before, during, or after meals? No one can say a simple answer to this question. However, as a general rule, you should take medicine on empty stomach, means taking this medicine before 1 hour to 2 hours after. The main reason is many medicines can affect by what you eat when you eat it. For example, if you take a pill while eating food, this may delay or decreases the absorption of drug. There are many exceptions to this rule because there are some medicines such as aspirin and other inflammatory drugs are easier to tolerate with the food. It may be preferable to take them with or after a meal to reduce the risk of side effects such as acid reflux and gastric bleeding. So, you have to consult a doctor to take your medicine with a snack or a meal. If you take some medicines along with food, these foods can react with the ingredients of medicine you are taking and stop the medicine from working. Some drug-food interactions can happen with both prescription and over-the-counter medicines, including antacid, vitamins, and iron pills. These are equally important, and sometimes it may be dangerous of a new medicine reacting with one you are already taking. Some simple rules you have to follow while taking of necessary medicines safer. Read the label of the pill box. If you don't understand something or need more information, then ask your doctor or pharmacist. If a doctor prescribes a medicine for you, make sure the doctor knows all the other medicines you are taking. This includes any prescription, over-the-counter and complementary medicines, as well as any herbal preparations. Read directions, warnings and interaction. Precautions printed on all medicine labels and packages. Even over-the-counter medicines can cause problems. Take a medicine with a full glass of water. Don't stir medicine into your food. Chew or crush tablets or pull capsules or pods, unless your doctor suggests you to do so, because this may change the way the drug works. Don't take vitamin pills at the same time you take medicines, because vitamins and minerals can interact with some drugs. Don't mix medicine into hot drinks, because the heat from the drink may destroy the effectiveness of the drug. Never take medicine with alcoholic drinks. Please follow these precautions while popping a pill and remember the mistake you have done and not to repeat. If you have other tips, please feel free to comment in comment box below. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.